Okay, I said we'd come back here. So here we are. Whoa. Alright, so we are back here. That's as close as I can get, and it's given me nothing but a problem since I've been here. But it is moving. There is a lot of craziness in the sky. Wow. I can't explain. Wow. I can't explain any of this. I just can't. No, I can't. Look at that. Holy guacamole. See these objects riding along this stuff? Now, I thought one of these are a volcano off in the distance. Look at all that. Oh, man. Oh, here we go with one of those again. Okay, now let's see if that disappears. Sure did. Is this like a vortex or something? Something's going on here. I just don't know what it is. Why does everything down there here? Hope you can make all this stuff out, folks. Gee. It's fascinating. Fascinating. What, pray tell, are we looking at? Really, what are we looking at? What is all of this? What is all of this? Really, come on. There's one of them down here on the ground, on the horizon. Alright, that should be a car. No, it's not. It was sideways with a dot anyway, so couldn't be a car. I could actually make out what it was. Wow. This has got to be a structured thing, a mechanical structured thing. It has to be. That's in it. Look at that line. Cloaked, heavily cloaked. floating along midair. Trying to keep the horizon in frame. At least we get to see objects down there for a few seconds. Look at that! There should not be any doubt that you kind of almost know what you're looking at. Unnatural stuff. It is there, though. It's truly there. This is like out of a movie. Look at that dripping off it. Do you see that? Now it's gone. It looks like a tank in midair. See this? None of this belongs there. Yeah. I might have to come back here. See these lines that show up? Wow, look at that. It's separating, that's, I don't know what, this is a fantastic place. Oh man, look how dark that is. And then you have color in this one. Why isn't everything cloaked? Yeah, gonna have to come back here. Can you see that dripping off? It's like one of those, it's gone now. Square. We just saw like a craft in New York that was that shape on the one video. Alright, we're gonna go somewhere else. Alright, for the new people who just joined, it's fun time. Just don't be afraid. It's all good. Don't worry. Do we know what they are? No. But we do know there's something. So, with that being said, every so often you'll see something coming by. Into the picture. I used to call them sky snakes. But I just really don't know what they are. I'm not saying they're good or they're bad. Or they don't have a right to exist. I don't even know what they are. So that's all I can pretty much tell you. No, I can't. But if I pull out, you're going to see something, so just be ready and don't get freaked out by it. Because there's a bunch of them. I stay in close to get close-ups of them, but when people see how many of them there are, you know what I mean? But there you go. So there's a lot. And this isn't even a full screen of them. Sometimes there's way more. And it's not like a bug going by and leaving a trail in a hologram. No. We've got them up close where they are entities. There are many sections to them. They self-illuminate. They do anything they want, you know. They just exist. If you go back in the videos, you'll see some even more interesting videos on it than this. So, it's just a quick share for new subs. And I want to welcome you. And I don't know what any of this stuff is. Not at all. Every so often you'll find elephants around here, and that's what I can identify are elephants. Everyone's got a theory on what these are, what the floating orbs are, what these I call sky snakes, because I don't know what they are. And they remind me of snakes, and they are flying around. So, and then I just find it fascinating, that's all, and I think that it's a good share. So I'm going to try to get in close so that you may see what they look like up close, in case one comes by the screen. An up close one. I have some very interesting ones on other videos. That are very cool to see. So we'll just hope one comes by. If nothing else, you can sit and watch that and wonder what the heck is that. Normally you got really big, very detailed close-up ones coming through the screen. Kind of like that. Okay, we're running out of time. Hope you enjoyed the share. I believe we've got Iceland and we've got Botswana. That should be about it. I'm going to check some other places out now. Talk to you all soon. Bless. Be safe.